In this video we have some applications and extensions, just two problems on geometric sequences. You want to try these, pause the video, and then I'll be back. Okay, let's look at the first one. We want to determine x so that x plus 2, and x plus 3 are consecutive terms of a geometric sequence. So here we're just going to use the definition of a geometric sequence. We know that if we take the ratio of any two consecutive terms, so in this case, say x plus 2 over x, and say x plus 3 over x plus 2, that ratio will be the same. It will be constant as long as you take two consecutive terms. So this should be the same value here. So we simply solve this equation for x. We could multiply by the LCD, or we could just cross multiply here. And this should be a 2 here. X plus 3 over x plus 2. So cross multiply this way, x plus 2 times x plus 2 bx squared plus for x plus 4. Multiply the other way, x times x plus 3, get x squared plus 3x. And then we simply collect terms and solve for x. So this x squared is going to cancel. Let's bring this 3x over, make it a minus 3x, or add minus 3x to both sides. This will give me x. And then add a negative 4 to both sides. We get x is equal to negative 4. So here they just want the value of x. That'll satisfy the given statement. So you can see if I put out negative 4 where the x is, we can start off with the first term being a negative 4, then negative 4 and 2, so negative 2, then negative 4 and 3, negative 1, and so on. So you can see if I take the ratio of any two consecutive terms, negative 2 over negative 4 is 1/2, negative 1 over negative 2 is 1/2, so it will work. That's your solution to this one. Okay, the next one. Suppose that you have just been hired at an annual salary of $55,000 and expect to receive annual increases at 5%. What will your salary be when you begin your 5th year? So basically your first year is going to be $55,000, and then the next year you add 5% to that, and that's your salary for the next year, and so on. You can just keep adding 5% of the previous year. So this one you could just write it out and figure it out without the formula. So sometimes I might say, well, give the salary on your 30th year or 40th year. You don't want to keep doing that, writing out all those terms. So we could derive the formula this way. Let's say we have 55,000. That's just in dollars. So obviously for the next year, you're going to have the same salary plus the increase. So the best way to do this is going to be 1. See, 55 times 1 is the 55,000. 55,000 times 1 is 55,000 plus the percent, 5%. So we just write it in this form. Instead of writing it 1 plus 0.05. We'll just put it as 1.05. And this will be to the n minus 1. So obviously for the first year, this is 1 minus 1 is 0. 1.05 to the 0 power is 1. So you end up with, of course, first year is 55,000. So we want the salary when you start your 5th year. So let's just say you want the 5th term. So we have 55,000 times, and I just want to write this as 1.05. N minus 1, n is 5 here, so this will just be 4. And then you just compute this out. So we got 55,000, and then I put parentheses 1.05, and then sets to the 4th power. And there we have it. So according to this setup, your salary starting the 5th year would be $66,852 and 85 or 84 cents, I guess. Run that out to nearest cent. 66,852.84. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.